Hey everybody, welcome to the TT Buzzard channel. Got my buddy here, Prince. Say hi, Prince. Say hi, Prince. Anyways, we're out enjoying probably the last little tidbit of dry weather, I guess. It's gonna rain later tonight, and snow is on the way this week. Hard to believe, but there's still some spectacular stuff out here. I'm in awe because we had them gusts and strong winds the other night, and it just blew a lot of stuff around pretty good. But the dawn redwood still sparkling here. This is the orangest I've ever seen one of these. Little barberries, not looking bad. Japanese maple right there. Burning bush right there. The chokeberry is just, yeah, it's looking so magnificent right now. That's nice. It's like red and orange going on in there. So cool. See how long those berries hang on. Yeah, the larch. Still got a lot of gold on it. Heartland pillar, birch still hanging on by a thread. Yeah, this is field maple. I kind of wish there was a market for it. There doesn't seem to be a market for it. I've never seen it in garden centers, and somebody started this a long time ago for these to be all through here, because I don't see them anywhere else. I didn't even know what the thing was when I first bought the place. There's a little Tupelo in there. That's weird, it turned gold, but yeah, look at that tamarack in there. Tamarack larch. I don't know how I think most people call it a larch, but I think tamarack sounds cooler. Cupcake, what you doing? Hi. Hi. So take a peek. See what our oak's looking like. This small little red oak growing up through there. That's more red oak. Just orange brown kind of leaves. Now our little wild burning bush here, starting to brighten up and become a lot redder for whatever reason. I think the other one's so sheltered, but this is up on a hill in the woods, so I'm sure that impacts it somewhat. Mr. Prince. Cupcake. Birch, beech, larch, and more field maple in here. But all these trees I've been showing you, these are just great November trees if you're looking for color that'll hang on a little later. Especially here, this is zone 5, so keep these species in mind when you're landscaping. Yeah, this ginkgo is a dwarf ginkgo, but it's got a little ways to go as far as yellow. I think peak color is about a week off. There's the witch hazel flowers. You're so funny. Hi. What are you doing? Had to sneak out for a little bit with me. Yeah. Yep. It's gonna be snowing soon. Prince, what are you doing? You're a goofball. Goofy cat. One of the goofiest cats ever. But yeah, look at these. The field maples are in here. Just they grow everywhere in here. Came out of nowhere, but this is a black cherry apparently. That bark is so cool. Look at the horizontal stripes on there. That's just so cool. Kept saying I didn't have enough orange color growing up in here. And, well, that's just sparkler right there. That's an absolute sparkler. Damn. Wow, incredible. This is the fern leaf beech tree. Yeah, look at these leaves on here. Some red oak coming up in here. This is a good picture of what the field maple leaf looks like. They're everywhere. It's got a nice bark to it. I kind of like the looks of it. Cupcake. I see you. Here are my top picks for late fall season color as far as trees and shrubs go. I think the American beech is my favorite on that list, and I don't have one. And it's because the leaves are a light bronze color and they hang on all through the winter. All right, see you on the next video. Thank you.